Welcome to Class 1 NCERT English Unit 10 The Tailor and His Friend. The Tailor and His Friend. This is a story of Kalu, who is a tailor, and his friend Appu, an elephant. This is a beautiful story about the friendship between Kalu and Appu. So, children, come on, let's look into the story. Kalu, the tailor, had a shop near the river. He made colorful pants and shirts for children. Appu, the elephant, was his friend. Appu came to his shop every day. Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. One day, Kalu wanted to play a trick. He did not give Appu anything to eat. He took out his needle and instead he pricked Appu's trunk. Appu ran away in pain. 2 days later, Appu came down to the river and filled his trunk with water. He reached Kalu's shop and threw water everywhere. All the new clothes became wet. Appu shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." Kalu said, "I am sorry, Appu. Let's be friends again." Kalu and Appu became good friends. So, children, did you see the story? Was it beautiful? Yes, the friendship of Kalu and Appu is beautiful, no? Come on, let's look into your textbook and go through the summary of the lesson, The Tailor and His Friend. So, this is a story about two friends, Kalu, who is a tailor. Who is a tailor, children? Who makes your clothes. And he had a shop near the river. And what did he do? As is a tailor, he used to stitch colorful and beautiful pants and shirts for children. Appu, the elephant, was his friend, and Appu daily used to go to Kalu, and Kalu gave him many nice things to eat. But one day what did Kalu do? He just wanted to play a trick, and he did not give Appu anything to eat. But instead, he took his needle. You all know what is a needle? It will be very sharp. It's used for stitching, no? That needle. He took his needle and pricked Appu's trunk. If anyone pricks you, you get hurt. So no, even some get blood also, and it will be very painful. So Appu ran away in pain. 2 days later, what did Appu do? Appu went to the river, filled his trunk with water, and reached the Kalu shop and poured the water everywhere. So, what happens when you pour water on all the things? All things will get wet. Similarly, Kalu's shop, Kalu's new clothes, everything got wet. And Appu said, it shook his trunk and said, "An elephant never forgets." So Kalu said, "I am sorry, Appu. Let's be friends again." Then Kalu and Appu became good friends. So, children, what did you understand from this? You should not hurt anyone. Let it be your friends, animals, or anything. You should not hurt anyone. Always be friendly with everyone. Okay, children? Now, new words, page number 116. Friend, friend. Pain, pain. Shop, tailor, tailor. Trick, prick. Prick, prick. Trunk, trunk. Wet. Reading is fun. Who was Kalu? Kalu was a tailor. Second one, who was Appu? Appu was an elephant. Third, where was Kalu's shop? Kalu's shop was near the river. Fourth, what trick did Kalu play on Appu? Instead of giving food to Appu, Kalu pricked a needle in his trunk. Fifth, how did Kalu's clothes become wet? Appu threw water on Kalu's clothes through his trunk. Let's talk. What do you do when someone troubles you? I politely ask the person troubling me to not to do so. When you are angry, when I'm angry, I just sit silently. When you don't want to share, I say sorry when I don't want to share my things with others. When someone asks you for a pencil, I give my extra pencil if someone asks for it. Children, you can write your own answers here. This is just a simple examples which I am giving. You can write your own example. What do you feel when someone troubles you, or when you're angry, when you don't want to share anything, or when someone asks your things? So you can write your own answers there. This is just for a sample. The tailor had a shop near the river. Question: where is your house? So how you will write that? My house is near my school, or you can write my house is near a park, my house is near a hospital. You can write like that. Okay. Now next, make some more sentences like the above, beginning with words like my school. My school is near the police station. These are also sample answers being given. You can write your own answers like my school is near the post office. My school is very far. Like that. Next, my friend's house is near the Charminar. The well is near the house. The elephant is near the river. The aeroplane is flying near the mountain ranges. My book is near the pen stand. Jam, jam. Jeep, jeep. Joy, joy. Jug. Juice. Pan. Pen. Pick. Pink. Put. Year. Yell. Yellow. Yes. Young. Zebra. Zigzag. Zip. Zoo. Zoom. So all this you also say aloud like this. Okay, children? Next, pick the odd one out. One has been done for you. Page number 118. So you have to pick the odd one out. In the first one, apple, banana, elephant, grapes is given. So what do you pick out? Elephant, because other three are, what are they? Fruits. Now the next one, Sunday, moon, Monday, Friday. So which one is odd in this? Moon. All others are days of the week. So you will circle moon. Next one, a bunny, March, May, April. So all these three are months. So bunny is an animal. So you will circle that. And next, what is given? Bus, one jar, ship, aeroplane. Others are modes of transport, and this is a container. So you will circle this. Book, eraser, mug, pen. all this you use for educational purpose. Mug is for drinking water or juice. So you will circle this. Onion, rose, tomato, carrot. So which one is odd in this? All are vegetables except rose, which is a flower. So you will circle that. Next, doctor, postman, table, tailor. These three are community helpers, whereas this is an object, table. So you will circle this. Understood, children, how to remove the odd one out? Thank you.